Hello, beautiful internet family. My name is Dan Davis, and I'm the creative director here at DansTube.TV, as well as the Fearless Drone Academy, which is the ultimate online drone course for beginners. And today I have got a giveaway to celebrate 40,000 subscribers on YouTube. So DansTube.TV has reached 40,000 subscribers. The growth on the channel is insane. The community is just awesome. I love how much feedback and comments I'm getting and how I can interact with people, and I'm noticing people regularly coming back to the channel and engaging. So that is exactly what I was looking for when I created this drone community. So really awesome stuff. And to celebrate, I'm going to be giving away 3 individual ND filter kits for the Mini 3 Pro. So these are from Freewell. Unfortunately, I opened the all-day kit just to showcase what the ND filters are capable of doing, just to actually show you, I guess what they look like, and just so I can talk about it for a little bit of my initial thoughts on these ND filters. Freewell have been well known for a very long time in this space, creating really high quality ND filters. And this kit here, which is the all day kit, I tried to open it as gently and carefully as I possibly could, but this is the kit here. I tested out the ND8, ND64, and the ND1000. The ND1000 is insane. It's just so dark. You can adjust the exposure to really bump it up, but just by default with EV at 0, the image is so dark. It's really cool to see that you can then bump up the exposure and get as much as you want out of that image when it's a really overexposed day with a lot of direct sunlight. So basically the magnets just clip on down and hold your 6-pack here. So that's going to be one that I'm giving away. Comes with a really cool little envelope, which gives you some details on the ND filters. I haven't opened that one. And then the other 2 are unopened. This is the UV filter for the Mini 3 Pro, and then this is the Bright Day 6-pack. So yeah, basically a very simple giveaway. Remember, it's only for the Mini 3 Pro. All 3 filter kits are for the Mini 3 Pro. All you've got to do though is go over to the Fearless Drone Academy's website, which is fearlessdrone.academy. And there'll be a section down there where the newsletter section is normally to sign up, and it will basically just say ND filter giveaway. You put in your details there, and then basically when this giveaway goes live, I'm only going to be accepting those entries from when the video goes live onwards, and that will basically be your official entry into the giveaway. And then I'm going to randomly choose 3 winners to get themselves one of these 3 ND filter kits. So that's basically the plan. Very simple giveaway to jump on, but on top of that, something really cool. The Fearless Drone Academy itself is nearly up to its 1-year birthday, so I'm going to do something special for that. It's coming up in November, but already had over 50 students sign up to the course. A lot of people are getting a bunch of value out of it. And to celebrate 40,000 subscribers on YouTube, I decided let's do a 50% off discount code. I haven't done such a big discount code for the Fearless Drone Academy. I know there's a lot of people out there that are still interested and want to get it. So basically for 72 hours, that's right, only 72 hours, you can get the Fearless Drone Academy for 50% off. You just have to use the code 40K to celebrate 40K subscribers on DansTube.TV. So make sure you jump on that, because 72 hours and it's done. That's all you've got to get 50% off. Biggest discount I've ever had on the Fearless Drone Academy's website. That's another way for me to celebrate the 40K subscribers on YouTube. Again, such a massive milestone, and I really want to give back to the people that I know will gain so much out of the Fearless Drone Academy's course. So in terms of these ND filters, they're very easy to mount onto the Mini 3 Pro, very similar to other DJI drones, but you basically hold the camera to make sure that it doesn't wobble around too much. I kind of just hold on top, and then as you twist it, it just pops off like that. And then when you put them back on, you put it on and twist it. I'm not going to show you now because I've cleaned the ND filters that I've opened because I want to give them away. But that's as simple as it is. It's literally just a twisting motion, making sure that you're holding onto the camera, and you can mount on any one of those ND filters with ease. It's such an easy process. And I found that when I mounted on the ND filters, you notice a big improvement when there's direct sunlight on the actual camera system. You've got to think you've got direct sunlight beating into this sensor here. And a lot of these drones, especially with the Mini 3 Pro as well, you can't adjust the aperture. It's a fixed aperture, so you can't close or open up the actual lens itself. which means that if you're getting direct sunlight into it, you might not get the best image from it. And that's where an ND filter really helps. It also creates like some very unique perspectives when you're going fast over tree lines, and creates like an interesting kind of motion blur as well. But very simple, and gives you a lot more control over the image that you're capturing. So like I said, you've got 3 options. You've got the all-day 6-pack, which is an ND4, ND8, and then it goes all the way up to an ND1000. In this video, you'll actually see some footage from the ND8, as well as the ND64, and then the ND1000. And you can notice the big difference here. Like when I go up to the ND1000, you can see that it's quite a dark image. I do adjust the EV just a little bit because it was relatively dark just at EV0. But then once I adjusted that and played with the EV, and I think I put it up to plus 03 or plus 07 I went to, and that just creates a very unique perspective then, a little bit darker, but still a very unique kind of look to it. Then you've got the UV filter, which is another kit that I'm giving away. So again, there's 3 possibilities to win here. And this, as the name suggests, is going to filter out any UV light that's hitting the lens. So that's gonna really help again with that direct sunlight, especially if you're in an area like me in Australia, in Brisbane, where there's like heavy direct sunlight a lot of the time hitting on my drone lens. That really does help, having something like a UV filter. And then the other kit I've got is called the Bright Day 6-pack. So this has actually got a slightly different design to the All Day pack. Similar, but slightly different. And with the Bright Day 6-pack, it goes from an ND4 PL all the way up to an ND64 PL, and then you get a CPL filter as well. So a really cool kit if you're in direct sunlight all the time. The Bright Day kit is perfect for you as well. But yeah, like I said, simple to sign up for one of these. I think that Freewell do an amazing job, and I've never had any issues with their lenses, with the glass they use for their ND filters. They're always fantastic, and it does add a very cool, like kind of creative look to it, or just a different look to the videos and photos that you're capturing with your drone. So if you did just get yourself the Mini 3 Pro, which I'm sure a lot of you have, I've been talking to a lot of you in the comments about your Mini 3 Pro. Maybe you wanted to get yourself one of these, but you just couldn't jump into it, or you're just waiting, or it's not on the top of your priority list. There's a really easy opportunity to win one of these kits, super easy. The other major benefit is when you sign up over on the Fearless Drone Academy to the newsletter, you immediately get a free gift anyway. You get the pre-flight checklist, which is a really handy resource to have to take out with you every time you fly. Just gives you a checklist to go through to know exactly what to do before flying, while flying, and then when you land as well. And on top of that, you also get like a checklist for when you're at home before you even leave to go to the location. So that's a free gift you get straight away for signing up for this giveaway. Straight away, free gift for everyone. And then you have a possibility to win one of these kits from Freewell. A nice and easy giveaway. And then, like I said, the other thing that's really exciting is that 50% off discount code for 72 hours. So a very limited discount code, 40K, 40K. So you got to write in when you go to fearlessdroneacademy.com, click on the enroll button or buy now. And then as you go through to the cart, you can apply the code and save 50%, which is quite a heavy amount. It's not going to be that way for long, just 72 hours, and then it'll be back to the default. But a really good opportunity to jump in if you've been considering it, but waiting for that price dip or that price drop. Perfect time. So yeah, that's my little kind of pre-excitement, pre-giveaway for 40,000 subscribers. At the moment, at like the time of me filming this video, I'm at 39.5 thousand subscribers. Based on how quickly the channel's growing, in the next 2-3 weeks, for when I'm doing this video, which is like the end of July. Yeah, like it's probably gonna be 2-3 weeks until I hit 40,000 subscribers. And then I'm gonna plan another giveaway to then celebrate hitting 40,000 as well. This is like a pre-giveaway and a chance to check out what's possible, what the Freewell lens kits look like and what you can capture with ND filters, because they're pretty unique. And if you've never used them before, it's a lot of fun to play with. So anyway, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate all of the support. 40,000 subscribers is insane to me. And over 50 students on the Fearless Drone Academy, again, insane. I'm just so happy that I can help people and connect with people out there and actually improve their experiences with their drones and create fearless drone pilots. Like it's so cool to hear how excited and confident and fearless a lot of my students are after finishing the course. So I do appreciate everything. Thank you so much, everyone. And I will chat to you in the next video. Peace.